Hi and welcome back. There's been so much hype lately about stinging nettle and all the medicinal uses for it, and that it's a superfood. So because my land has an abundance of stinging nettle, which I need to clear, I thought I would give this a try. There's lots of stinging nettle here today that I need to remove so that my kid can run through here and play. We arrived last night and he's already been stung once, so it's a good time for harvesting. I'm a beginner forager, so I do take a lot of precautions when I am collecting plants. I use my app to confirm my suspicion, and then if I still have doubt, I go onto Facebook groups and show them pictures, and I also sometimes go into town and make sure that everyone has the same consensus that that's what it is. So I do know that this is stinging nettle. My app has said so, and it stung my son, so we're pretty good. It is stinging nettle. Finding out what all the hype is, and I'm gonna try some. Hopefully it tastes okay. If you have any tips on how to make it taste good, let me know. Okay, so now I have 4 bundles. I've cleared the path for my son, and so now I'm going to hang them so that they can dry out. Again, hopefully I don't get stung. And we'll just let these dry out, and then I'll take them off the stems. I have all my stinging nettle hung. I got this cool gadget. We're gonna see if it works. I think you put the stem through here and you just pull and the leaves will come off. So I'm gonna try that, and then hopefully we'll make stinging nettle tea. The leaves are dry now, and I'm ready to remove the stems and to see how my new gadget works. I'm actually pleasantly surprised how efficient this gadget is. It made taking the leaves off so easy. Okay, we're gonna give this a try. I'm a little hesitant to try this, and today I added a little bit of stevia. The reason being is last year I did harvest, and it tasted terrible. But I did learn that you're supposed to harvest in the beginning of the season and not the end. So I'm hoping that this is going to taste a little better. Let's give it a try. It already smells better, so that's good. Oh, okay, well it actually tastes a lot better than what I did last year, so there must be something to this, harvesting in the beginning of the season instead of the end. Well, I really enjoyed making this video, and thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.